G'day! In today's video I'm having a look at a PS4. This was one I purchased relatively cheaply, damaged, turns out it had a failed hard drive, but then I've been having some issues with the Bluetooth on it. So if we can zoom in here, we have the model number CUH1002A. So this particular one is around a launch title one, or the fat PS4s, and the issue that I had with it is a very laggy controller. So right now the controller's dropped out on me, there we go, but it's a very laggy response, there we go, cutting in and out. So in game the console plays perfectly fine, so I'll get in game, start fighting, and the controller will just completely crap out on me. The issue with that I found was I received two controllers with this when I purchased it, and all of them were doing this, except it seemed to function fine via USB. So I'll just try and demonstrate that possible method now, if the controller will let me. I'm going to have a battle here, I believe. So I'll set you on the pedestal. Go. So the controller's dropped out again, as you saw. It's definitely struggling. So if I go here, go into settings, devices, controllers, communication method. So if you change it, if you seem to have a very laggy PS4 controller, give this a try first and go use via USB cable. But I'll show you what the particular problem was with mine. So I'll switch this off and show you the insides. Or more accurately, I'll just pull the cord. So in my haste to tear this down and replace the thermal paste, once I took the cover off, lifting this uneven and it doesn't like it. There we go. Disconnect here. Or not. Down here. There we go. Straighten the pins. The issue that I had was I forgot to attach the wireless antenna. I thought I was leaning towards something a bit more major, being that I was suspecting that I'd damaged or the Bluetooth module was failing. It's simply just loose. Granted, this will not be really the case with most of yours out there, especially if they've never been opened before. But this is a good relief for me, which means I've just scored a PS4 for $60 Australian with a faulty hard drive. There we go, made a decent click. It's usually how I test if it's still attached. So I'm going to reassemble this and should be happy days from here. Anyway, that's one potential solution to a Bluetooth DualShock 4 controller being laggy. The other thing I did notice was Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi of this still functioned perfectly fine. I was still able to connect to my internet. It was still able to see wireless networks a few shops down with no drama. So the antenna seems to mainly affect the Bluetooth side of things. Worst case scenario, you should hopefully be able to use it via a 5-foot, 2-meter long USB cable plugged into the front of the console. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you later. Bye.